In front of me is MEDIATEK K107, and let me show you how to activate dial pad tones on this device. So first of all, let's open your phone dialer. Here it is, and as you can hear, currently it is muted, so we've got vibration only. If you'd like to change it, you need to open the settings, then find and select sound area. It should be somewhere here, so click on sound, and now locate other sounds. Here it is. Pick dial pad tones, mark it, and from now on it will be active. So just open phone dialer again, and now you can hear each digit. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.